You will learn what HTML is, how to create your first HTML file, and how to open it in a web browser. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is used to create the structure of web pages. It tells the browser what content should appear on the page, such as headings, paragraphs, images, links, and buttons. You can use any text editor to edit the HTML code and any web browser to view the result. For this course, we will use Visual Studio Code to write HTML. Let us get started. First, create a new folder for the project. Name the folder html_project. Open this folder in Visual Studio Code. In the Explorer panel, create a new file. Name the file index.html. The .html extension tells the system that this is an HTML file. Now add the basic HTML structure. Now save the file. We will use the integrated web browser in the Visual Studio Code to view the result. In the File Explorer, right-click on the HTML file and click Open in Integrated Browser. The browser displays the heading Hello World. Below it, the browser displays the paragraph. This is a paragraph. This confirms that the HTML file is working correctly. Let us understand this code. The document type declaration tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of the page. The head section contains information about the page. The title element sets the text displayed in the browser tab. The body section contains the visible content of the web page. The H1 element creates a main heading. The P element creates a paragraph. Whenever you make a change in Visual Studio Code, save the file and refresh the browser to view the updated result. For example, change the heading text. Let us change the heading 1 content to Welcome to HTML. Save the file. Click the refresh icon to refresh the browser. The updated heading is now displayed. Now, let us briefly understand the basic HTML syntax. Most HTML elements use an opening tag and a closing tag. For example, the H1 tag at the beginning is the opening tag. The H1 tag with a / is the closing tag. H1 is the tag name. Tag name enclosed in opening and closing angular brackets is the opening tag. / and tag name enclosed in opening and closing angular brackets is the closing tag. The text between them is the content. Together, the opening tag, content, and closing tag form an HTML element. We have many HTML elements in this sample code. We have HTML element. We have head element. We have title element. We have body element. We have H1 element. We have paragraph element. The tag name P stands for paragraph. HTML elements can also contain other elements. For example, here the body element contains the H1 element and the P element. When one element is placed inside another element, it is called nesting. The inner elements should be placed between the opening and closing tags of the outer element. This is the basic structure used to build HTML pages. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more HTML tutorials.